Now students, we are going to see the main heads and subheads of asset side. The second part of balance sheet is assets, and now we are going to start with the main heads and subheads of asset side. Students, assets have two main heads. First is non-current assets and other is current assets. So asset side के दो main heads हैं, non-current assets और current assets. Now we going for their subheads. Non-current assets का subheads, non-current assets के 5 subheads हैं. देखिए, first fixed asset. First subhead है fixed assets. Second is non-current investments. Third, deferred tax asset. Fourth, long-term loans and advances. And last is other non-current assets. तो non-current assets के जो subheads हैं उनका abbreviation है F&D law. F&D law means F for fixed asset, N for non-current investments, D for deferred tax assets, L for long-term loans and advances, and O for other non-current assets. So non-current assets के subheads क्या हैं? F&D law. Yes, fixed assets जो subhead है इसको again सब subheads में divide किया जाता है. वो क्या है? fixed assets के सब subheads हैं TC. That means T for tangible assets, I for intangible assets, C for capital work in progress, and I for intangible assets under development. Intangible assets under development. Similarly, second head है assets का current assets. Current assets के subheads क्या हैं जी? CSO. CSO means C for current investments, I for inventories, T for trade receivables, C for cash and cash equivalents, S for short-term loans and advances, and O for other current assets. So current asset ये जो head है इसके 6 subheads हैं जो आपके सामने mention है. किस नाम से? सिट CSO के नाम से. और एट द एंड टोटल ऑफ एसेट्स आप मेंशन करेंगे यहाँ पे इस तरीके से जिस तरीके से हम एसेट्स को मेंशन करते थे. एंड अगेन कीप इन माइंड दैट टोटल ऑफ इक्विटी एंड लायबिलिटीज पार्ट शुड बी इक्वल टू टोटल ऑफ एसेट्स. सो नाउ यू हैव टू strictly follow this format, and you have to learn what are the heads, what are the subheads, and I have given you these abbreviations. This will definitely help you to learn properly or to keep in mind. That means to retain these heads and subheads. And in the next class, I will discuss the one by one each item. I will explain you one by one each item. So till now, you have to learn, you have to cram definitely the heads and subheads of this whole format. That's all.